Have you ever looked at a flower and thought, wow, I wish I could capture that beauty and keep it forever? Well, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Rosie, your flower enthusiast, and welcome to 416 Flowers, where we believe in the language of flowers and the emotions they convey. Today, we're diving into the world of flower-inspired art and craft. We're going to create something beautiful, something that captures the essence of a flower, and the best part? You can do it right at home. But before we get started, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join our blooming community. All right, let's get our hands dirty. Today's DIY project is inspired by the timeless elegance of roses. We're going to create a rose-themed wall hanging that will add a touch of nature to your living space. Now, as we go through this process, remember, it's not just about creating art. It's about expressing your love, your friendship, your emotions through this timeless gesture. Each stroke of your brush, each fold of your paper, is a word in the language of flowers. And there you have it, a beautiful piece of art inspired by the beauty of flowers. I hope you enjoyed this DIY project as much as I did. Remember, you can always share your creations with us. We'd love to see how you express your emotions through flowers. Before we wrap up, I want to give a shout out to 416 Flowers, your best choice for flower delivery in the Greater Toronto Area. With fast same-day delivery options, delivery 7 days a week, and the best prices, they make flower giving easy and convenient. So the next time you want to express your feelings through flowers, head over to 416flowers.com and place your order. That's it for today, folks. Remember, love blooms in the most vibrant colors and fragrances. Let's spread love, one flower at a time. Until next time, keep blooming.